Good day everyone, my name is Princess Grace Comeros and today I'm going to discuss what is typhoon, energy source of typhoon and effects of typhoons. Typhoons are powerful tropical cyclone that forms over the Pacific Ocean between 5 and 20 degrees north latitude. They are classified based on wind speed. First is tropical depression, maximum winds of not more than 63 km per hour. Second is tropical storm. Wind speed range from 63 to 118 km per hour. Typhoons. Wind speed is more than 118 km per hour. Winds of 240 km per hour or more are common to typhoon when approaching the shore. In the Philippines, typhoon frequency varies yearly, with notable record of 12 in 1973, 30 in 1974, and 32 in 1993. Typhoon season typically lasts from May to January. Peaking in August, 3.4 cyclones on average, followed by July 3.3 and September 3.0. Other active months including the October 2.6, November 2.3, and June and December is 1.5 each. Energy source of typhoons. The ocean and seas are essential to the formation and continual existence of typhoons. When the sun radiation heats up the Earth's surface, water evaporates into the atmosphere. Great amount of heat energy is absorbed during the evaporation, locked in the water vapor in the form of latent heat. During the condensation, the latent heat is released in the atmosphere. This is the very source of energy for typhoons. Pag-asa describes that an average size of typhoon gets an energy supply in a day equal to an energy released by 40,000 hydrogen bomb. When typhoon moves over the land, it weakens due to less support of water vapor. The more nga init atong weather, gasigig evaporate ang water. Tapos, pag mag-evaporate ang water, mo-form na siya og clouds. Muna ginatawag na condensation. Mapuno na ang kaning clouds or kanang mabugatan na siya, mohimo na din siya, muulan na dayon. Muna ginatawag na precipitation. The more nga daghan og tubig ang katong nalikom sa clouds, sigig ulan. Tapos, di ba, kasagaran sigig ulan, the more nga sigig ulan, na ma-form na typhoon or bagyo. So, kasagaran, di ba, sa ato ang kanang sig ulan, pila ka day sig ulan, magbaha na dayon, nga na dayon balita nga na ay signal number 1. Effects of typhoon. Wind damage can be very severe to any high-rising structures like trees, buildings, or any plants along the mountains. Strong wind create the sea waves 3 meters to 4.5 meter high. In a low coastal area, the sea has been known to advance 75 to 90 km inland. Pag magbagyo, di ba, mabantay na to pareha atong kuan, bagyong Pablo, nga kaning kusog kayong hangin, sigig ulan, gabaha na sa kaning agusan, napektuhan ang mga kahoy, ang mga buildings, kay nangalapawan ang mga balay, tapos ang mga tanom ato nga kuan na ang agusan nilapaw na mo to ang mga mais nga kuan, tapos ang mga kanang kahoy sa mga bukid-bukid nga bali, mga kaning coconut, dagat ato kay kusog kaayo ang mga waves or ang hangin, ang mga taplin sa dagat ato nga mga resort kay nga daot kay tungod ato nga bagyo. So, mao ra ta kong report. Thank you everyone sa pagpamina.